Well, as always, I'm on the lookout for some really great casual clothes for my extremely casual lifestyle here in hot Florida. I'm looking for things that are cool, things that are super casual, maybe some things that are even considered loungewear, and maybe something that, oh, I don't know, might just be perfect for attending a summer wedding or a nice girlfriend's luncheon. You're going to see all of those. And guess what? They're very affordable. I found them on Walmart, and I am so happy to be partnering with Walmart for this video today. You're going to see some really cute things. There's one that I thought was going to be my favorite, but it didn't fit. I'm going to show it to you anyway. And then I'm saving to the very end my very favorite piece, or two pieces, I guess. But it's one piece, but it's two pieces. Any guesses? You'll have to wait and see. But again, I'm 81. In a couple of weeks, I'll be 82. And I'm just always on the lookout for clothes that a mature woman can be comfortable in, that are very reasonably priced. Everything's going to be listed below, so you can go down. I will tell you right off the bat, and I'm going to try to remember to tell you again before the end of the video, because this is really important. When I went online to order all of these things that I wanted to show you today, there was great inventory, but when I went back to check my links to make sure I had everything linked properly for you, some sizes were getting ready to sell out or had sold out. So if you see something you really like, I would probably get on over there. I did find all of these on walmart.com, and that's where everything will be linked to. So with that being said, let's just get started. I'm excited for all of these. Before we start the clothes, I want to show you a couple of pair of shoes that you're going to see in this video. And they are both so cute. The first pair, look at these espadrilles. Are these not the cutest? Oh, you'll see me wearing these. Let me tell you about them. They're the time and true women's ankle strap espadrille. They're a cool summer style. They are classic warm weather shoes. They have a closed toe design and a wrapped sole. Has an adjustable ankle strap for a secure fit, and they have a memory foam insole. And I'm telling you, these pair with, just about anything you're going to wear this summer. The flat form, as they're calling it, is 1.37 inches. So that's not very tall at all. I think most of us can probably walk in this. And as I said, they have the ankle strap with the adjustable buckle and the memory foam insole. I'm going to get a ton of wear out of these. Aren't they cute? The sole is great for not sliding around. The other pair are what I call, and some of my friends would call, patti shoes. These are the kinds of shoes I like. And the look at these. Look at the pearls. Are those the cutest ever? These are the Madden New York City women's pearl sandal. Ah, they're cute. The uppers are polyurethane. The outsole is thermoplastic rubber. You just wipe them clean. They're flat slip-ons. They have faux pearl embellishments, and I'm telling you, these are just the best. I'm telling you, I will wear these with everything. I was looking at these this morning. I would wear these as house slippers around the house. That's how cute they are. I can wear them anywhere. They're just cute. So you're going to be seeing these throughout the video. I think we should go ahead and just get started and get it out of the way, the dress that didn't fit. I think it wasn't just that it didn't fit. When I got it in and tried it on, it just wasn't me. And, sometimes that happens. Sometimes we think we're just going to love something, and we get it in, and for one reason or another, we know it's not going to work. Now, let me show you this dress because it is precious, and I know that there are a lot of you who will love this dress. You're going to be tall and slender, and this is going to be perfect for you. It's going to fit you in all of the right places. I know you're out there. I looked at the model on the Walmart website, and I really thought I could wear this dress because, as I said in a video earlier, I am going to show my arms this summer, and you're going to see it in other things. I'm showing my arms. Let me first of all show you this dress, and at the same time I'm going to put the picture on Walmart.com so that you can actually see it. I ordered this dress in a large, and I thought I would order it in a medium, and that may have been my problem. Maybe I should have stuck with the medium, but I have a feeling it still wouldn't have worked for me because of the shape of my body and the way I am through my bust line. But look at the top of this. This is by Time and True. Can you see the little dainty ruffle and the two little buttons right in front, and then like a little keyhole opening here, but the sleeves are cut down pretty low, and then it has a drawstring in the waist. Let me tell you what Walmart says about this dress. It's 100% cotton. It's machine washable. It is, and it says the model is 5'9" and wearing a size small. Very relaxed fit. I agree with that. Pullover style. Obviously, it's sleeveless. It does have pockets on both sides, and it's that gauzy fabric, and it's just cute. It is just so cute. It's by Time and True. Even though this dress didn't work for me, I know, as I said, I know that there are probably many of you who would look awesome in this dress. I could see this dress with a little kimono over it if you really didn't want to show your arms. One of the things I loved about this dress, and the reasons I wanted it, was because it just looked so cool for this summer heat here in Florida. Let's just go ahead and look at some things that I absolutely love, and I think you will too. And by the way, the name of that dress is I'm going to link it. So the name of it is Time and True Women's Cotton Double Cloth Tiered Midi Dress. So that's the way it will be listed underneath. All right, here's something else that I have a few pairs of this type of pants in my closet, and I wear them all the time, especially in this hot weather, because they're just so cool, and they're not clingy, and they're loose, and they're flowy, and they're a wonderful fabric. And they are the Jessica Simpson Women's Saydee Wide Pull-On Pants. They just have plenty of leg room. They're just for every day, whether you're out and about or lounging around at home. They feature a super flowy wide leg silhouette, as I said. They are the perfect pick for your vacation or resort wear outfits. They would be great over a bathing suit. They have back elastic. The front is smooth. They have pockets on both sides. They are considered palazzo pants. And I think they're just a great staple that you can wear forever. And you can only get these at Walmart. They're Jessica Simpson. And they're called the Jessica Simpson Women's Saydee Wide Pull-On Pants. I ordered a medium in these. That's the normal size I would wear. And by the way, they're 100% viscose, machine washable. They're obviously a relaxed fit, high rise, approximately 28-inch inseam. They're a little bit long on me, but that's okay. I'll get lots of wear out of them. Now, what I'm wearing with the Jessica Simpson pants, in fact, you'll see the one that I'm wearing with those pants, and I'm wearing the second one today, just in a different color. That's how much I like it. It's the Time and True Women's Twist Front Top with Flutter sleeves. I will tell you again that I sized up. I would normally wear a medium in this. I just had a feeling about it, and I sized up to a large, and I'm happy with that. This just has the prettiest details. It has the twist front top, which which I love. And I think for any of us older women, especially mature women who are starting to get the little tummy, I think that twist front right at the bottom, at the hem, it's just perfect. It's a great way to camouflage it. It's just different. It's like a t-shirt almost, but it's just different. I got it at Walmart.com. You've been seeing it in the white. I'm wearing it in the Moda lipstick. And hopefully you can see it. I'm going to get a ton of wear out of this. It comes in other colors. These next pants I love. Now, my sister Brenda was here recently, and she was in my closet, and she said, I can't believe you have so many white pants. Well, guess what? I have another pair of white pants. These are, I just love them. These are by Free Assembly. They're the women's linen blend pull-on cargo pants. They are a very relaxed style, which I think we all need right now in this hot, hot weather. And I like white pants because I think they're just essential to our wardrobes. I mean, we can have a lot of different styles of white pants, but these are cool, they're lightweight, they have a linen blend, they have plenty of pockets because after all they're cargo. They are pull-on with an adjustable drawstring waist so that you can get your fit just right. I'm telling you, these are awesome. They're 70% rayon, 30% linen, machine washable. They're a mid-rise, but they do come up to my waist. And what you're seeing with them is the Time and True women's cropped camp shirt. If you've watched me at all in the past do fashion, you know I love my camp shirts too. But I didn't have a black one. This camp shirt is crafted in a breathable, lightweight linen lyocell blend weave. It's just a perfect pick to enjoy warm weather, adventures, with sort of an elevated ease. It's subtly cropped, ultra relaxed fit. I like it too because it has a longer sleeve. This sleeve comes almost down to my elbow, so if you're really looking for a longer sleeve length in a short sleeve camp shirt, this would be the one you would want. It's 53% linen, 47% lyocell, machine washable. It has the notched lapel, front buttons, has a chest pocket. It's a perfect addition to my wardrobe. Okay, all right. Have I said I love this now with pretty much every single item? Well, why would I pick items that I didn't think I would love? You know, when we shop, shouldn't we always shop that way? Well, look at this dress. I can see wearing this dress for so many occasions. It's the Free Assembly women's sleeveless cotton eyelet panel midi dress. The dress is just so simple and stylish. It's totally uncomplicated. It's light and airy. Can you imagine just wearing this on sun-kissed days and breezy nights? It has a fit and flare silhouette that flatters most figures, I think, while the square neckline frames your face. It has a panel design that allows it to sort of swish and sway with every step you take, and it's only available at Walmart. It's 100% cotton, machine washable, and I am wearing a medium in this. I think I could have worn a large too, but I am wearing a medium. I like the way it fits. It pulls over. It's sleeveless, obviously, bra friendly. Has two side seam pockets. It is fully lined. Of course, it's eyelet. It has cutouts, so it is fully lined. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. All right. This is what we've been waiting for, and this is what I'm waiting till tonight so that I can wear them after I've shown them to you today. I've had these for a few days now, and I've been thinking about them a lot. Every time I get ready to go to bed, I think about these. These are one of my all-time favorite brand labeled pajamas. They are by Joyspun. I've been wearing the Joyspun pajamas and nightgowns now for years. I love them. I love the fabrication. I love the fact that They are so soft. And mine have been washed and washed and washed and dried and dried and dried, and they still feel and look the very same way that they did when I first purchased them. So these are the women's plus lightweight sleep tee and pants. It's a two-piece set. They come in sizes extra small to 3X. I don't know. I don't have to say anything. Just look at these. I mean, can you imagine just curling up with a good book, catching up on your much needed sleep? Oh, they're part of the Joyspun Secret Treasures line, and they're 60% cotton, 40% polyester, machine washable. You get both the t-shirt and the pants. Look at the curved hem on the legs. I hope you're going to be able to see it here. The top is a curved hem, the pants have a curved hem. I'm telling you, they're wonderful. This video was so much fun to do, and I always enjoy working with Walmart and just going online and seeing everything that they have to offer there. I want to remind you again that if you've seen anything here today, to click on my link and get over there as quick as possible before it sells out, because I'm not just saying it, things are selling out. And I know I'm going to hear from some of you saying, I tried to buy it, Patty, and it was sold out. So I tried to pick things that I knew you would like, and there's a bunch of you. So just go look, see if it's something that you think might work for you, something that you can stay cool in and look great in this summer, and know that you didn't spend a whole lot of money. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to be kind. Be kind to yourself first so that you can be kind to others later. Know that I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.